Hello everyone, this is Saranya. Welcome to Dream and Win. We all know that 93% of the communication is non-verbal. The way we carry ourselves is highly significant when it comes to looking powerful, confident, and friendly. We'll be covering all the topics in this series. In this video, we will be covering confident and calm body language. I personally feel that being calm is the most powerful aspect in the world. Next question comes, is it possible to look confident and calm at the same time? Yes, it is very much possible, and to find out how, watch the video till the end. Two men were waiting in the bus stop. The first one inquired, "How are you?" Before the second man even gave an answer, the first one quickly ran off because his bus was already there. The first main tip to open a communication is, when you have enough time, you could devote to the next person. While you communicate, maintain eye contact with the person. This gives them a sense of trust that you're actually interested in what they are saying. Keep your hands at a relaxed state, not fidgeting, and no hands in the pocket. When you're sitting, occupy the chair fully and not sitting at the edge. If you want to show an increased interest, then move your body little in front. At the end of the conversation, irrespective of its results, make a firm and brief handshake lasting for 5 seconds. Make conscious movements chosen out of personal freedom. One of the main reasons we feel anxious is due to the lack of rhythmic breathing. Practice few breathing exercises that lets you relax. The mind and the body go hand in hand. If the mind stays relaxed, it will give you a calm body language. Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, give it a like.